Hey guys, it's Kerry. In this video, witness intense predator versus prey encounters as venomous strikers, stealthy ambush hunters, and powerful constrictors fight to survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. The green anaconda is a silent predator that rules the swamps and rivers of South America, hidden beneath murky water and thick jungle plants. It waits motionless for the perfect moment to strike. Unlike venomous snakes, the anaconda relies on overwhelming muscle power, exploding from the water with terrifying speed to seize prey before it can react. The rough green snake survives through agility and precision. Its incredible camouflage is its greatest weapon, making it nearly invisible in trees and bushes. Birds, larger snakes, and mammals all threaten the rough green snake, forcing it to remain alert at all times. If cornered, it may freeze completely or quickly disappear into dense vegetation. When attacking, the black mamba delivers multiple rapid bites loaded with powerful neurotoxic venom. The venom attacks the nervous system, causing paralysis. Buried almost completely beneath the sand, the sidewinder explodes upward with a venomous strike that leaves prey little chance of escape. Its venom rapidly weakens the victim, allowing the snake to track and consume the struggling animal before scavengers arrive in the unforgiving desert heat. Unlike venomous snakes, the chained king snake kills through constriction. Once it grabs its prey, it wraps powerful coils around the victim and tightens with incredible force. Even dangerous snakes struggle helplessly as the king snake slowly cuts off circulation and breathing, ending the fight with ruthless efficiency. Its greatest survival advantage is its resistance to venom from many other snakes. This allows it to hunt predators that most animals avoid entirely. Battles between king snakes and venomous rivals can become violent, twisting struggles where only one snake survives. Please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications, and I love to read and will always reply to your comments. The boa constrictor is a silent ambush predator that relies on stealth and raw muscle power. The attack is explosive. The boa strikes with curved teeth that hook deeply into prey before powerful coils wrap around the victim's body. Each breath tightens the snake's grip further, slowly exhausting the prey until the struggle finally stops. They are able to swallow prey whole using flexible jaws. Survival in the African wilderness demands constant awareness, and the black mamba has evolved into a master of intimidation. When threatened, it raises the front of its body high off the ground, revealing the dark interior of its mouth. The coral snake is small compared to giant constrictors, but its venom makes it extremely dangerous. Its vivid red, yellow, and black bands warn predators that attacking could be deadly. Hidden beneath leaves and forest debris, this secretive hunter searches for lizards, frogs, and even other snakes. Unlike vipers that rely on quick strikes, coral snakes often bite and hold on, allowing their neurotoxic venom to flow into the prey. Their strong venom allows it to overpower prey larger than expected for its size, proving that even smaller snakes can become deadly hunters when evolution provides the perfect weapon. Small prey animals quickly become helpless against the snake's deadly toxins. During the hunt, the albino Burmese python uses heat-sensitive pits and stealth to locate prey in darkness or dense vegetation. Once close enough, it launches forward with explosive force, locking curved teeth into flesh before wrapping massive coils around the victim. Death is imminent. A cobra hatchling may be small, but it enters the world fully armed with deadly venom and survival instincts. From the moment it hatches, this tiny predator must fight to stay alive in a dangerous environment filled with birds, mongooses, and larger snakes. Anacondas survive because they are masters of patience and ambush. They can remain underwater for long periods with only their eyes and nostrils exposed, making them invisible. Their camouflage blends perfectly with swamp vegetation, allowing them to attack with explosive surprise. Even dangerous prey like caimans can be dragged into deadly underwater wrestling matches. The Red Bellied Black Snake is one of Australia's most striking predators, recognised by its glossy black scales and deep crimson belly. It's found near swamps, rivers, and wetlands. It is venomous. The albino cobra, despite its red coloration, it remains a deadly venomous predator, capable of hunting rodents, birds, frogs, and reptiles with ruthless efficiency. Its glowing eyes and expanded hood create an unforgettable warning display. They rely on stealth and explosive speed. Rattlesnake. The famous rattle serves as a warning system rather than a hunting tool. When threatened, the snake vibrates its tail rapidly, creating the chilling sound that warns predators to stay back. If ignored, the rattlesnake can strike with incredible speed and precision. Unlike highly aggressive predators, the ball python often relies on camouflage and hiding to survive. If threatened, it curls tightly into a defensive ball with its head protected at the center. This behavior gives the species its name. This defense helps protect it from predators in the wild. They are native to Africa. When the python attacks, its curved teeth lock into the victim as powerful coils wrap around the prey's body. The attack is silent, efficient, and incredibly powerful for a snake of its size. Survival depends on energy conservation and precise hunting. A successful meal may sustain the python for weeks, allowing it to remain hidden and to avoid unnecessary risks. The corn snake is a fast and agile constrictor, famous for its vivid orange and red patterns. Its camouflage allows it to blend perfectly into fallen leaves and dry vegetation. Corn snakes are excellent climbers, allowing them to raid birds' nests high above the ground. The brown snake is one of Australia's fastest and most venomous predators. Slim, alert, and incredibly aggressive when threatened. It hunts rodents, lizards, and frogs across grasslands and farmland. Its speed allows it to chase prey with terrifying efficiency. The cobra is one of the world's most feared snakes, combining deadly venom with an unforgettable intimidation display. When threatened, it rises high above the ground, spreads its hood wide, and stares directly at enemies with chilling focus. Boa constrictors survive because they conserve energy and strike only when success is likely. Their camouflage makes them nearly invisible in dense jungle environments, and their slow movements prevent detection. Large predators may attack young boas. The rattlesnake's venom begins destroying tissue and disrupting blood circulation almost immediately. Wounded prey may stagger away briefly before collapsing, allowing the rattlesnake to track the victim using scent trails. This deadly strategy reduces the risk of injury during violent struggles with desperate prey animals. That was an incredible look into the dangerous lives of some of the world's most fascinating snakes, from venomous ambush hunters to giant constrictors capable of overpowering massive prey. Every species has evolved unique ways to fight, hunt, and survive in the wild. Nature is brutal, unpredictable, and absolutely incredible. Which snake shocked you the most? Was it the crushing power of the Anaconda, the deadly speed of the black Mamba, or the terrifying strike of the Cobra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed these intense predator versus prey battles, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another wild encounter. Thanks for watching, and remember, in the wild, survival belongs to the fastest, strongest, and deadliest hunters of all.